Hello friends, today I will show you how to get your Minecraft items back after you die. While playing the game we sometimes die unexpectedly and lose all our items. But in 1.19 and above we can get them back with a recovery compass. These are the materials you will need. On the left are the recipe for a basic compass. You can find echo shards and chests in the ancient city. Get a crafting table. Put in this recipe. This compass will always point to where you died last, so follow the arrow. It leads us here where we fell from and died. After going below, there we find the place we died in and our items. Thanks for watching.